So for this stitch, you will need to chain multiples of 8 plus 3. In this video, I will be chaining 24, and then I'll also chain 3 after that to be the first double crochet in the pattern. After chaining 24, I will chain 3 and then double crochet into this fourth chain from the hook. From here we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will skip 5 chains and double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So here's 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. We will repeat this as we go down the chain, so chain 5, skip 5 chains, double crochet into the next 3, so chain 5, skip 5, and then you will see that you only have 2 left. So you will double crochet into the last 2 chains. On to row number 2, you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and place 9 double crochets into each chain space. Continue adding 9 double crochets to each chain space until you get to the end of the row. Once you get to the end of the row, you're going to double crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain. To begin row 3, you're going to chain 5, turn your work, skip the first 4 double crochets, and then double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 5 and then skip the next 6 double crochets and then double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. From here you will continue to chain 5, skip 6 double crochets, and then double crochet into the next 3 double crochets, and you'll do that until you get to the last 4 stitches of the row. Once you reach the last 4 stitches, you're going to chain 2, and then skip the 3 double crochets, and then double crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain. On to row 4, you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and do 4 double crochets into this first chain space. And then moving forward, you will insert 9 double crochets into the remaining chain spaces until you get to the very last chain space of the row. Once you get to the last chain space of the row, you're going to insert 4 double crochets. And now that you have your 4 double crochets, you're going to double crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain. Row 5 is our last row, so we're going to chain 3, turn your work, skip the first double crochet, and then insert a double crochet into the next stitch. Now you will chain 5, skip 6 stitches, and you will double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Continue to chain 5, skip 6 stitches, and then double crochet into the next 3 stitches all the way down the row. Once you get to the end of the row, you will notice after you chain 5 that after you skip your 6 stitches, you are left with 2. So you're going to double crochet into that last stitch and then double crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain, and those will be your last 2. And there you have it. This is the arch stitch. To continue, you would just repeat rows 2 through 5. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I'll see you guys back here soon. Happy crocheting!